Hello everyone, we are doing example 7 from NCERT. You will find this question on page number 412 NCERT. So let's solve it. Consider the experiment tossing a coin. So you are tossing a coin, so you will get either head or tail. Into two possibilities. So both possibilities will be equally probabilities, half. Okay. Then if head comes, they're saying if head comes, then you have to toss the coin again. So it may be head again or tail again. So two possibilities are there, correct? Head or head tail, because first is head, after that it may be head or tail. Okay, so they again have probability of half and half, equally. Then they're saying if it comes trail, then you are throwing a die. So there will be 6 possibilities, right? And each possibility will have equal probability, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6 and 1 by 6. Each one will have equal probability, correct? Then they are saying find the probability, conditional probability. The one condition is applied that the die shows the number greater than 4. So you have to find a probability that number is greater than 4. On what is the condition? That condition is given is at least one tail. At least one tail means one tail or both tail. यानी कि number of tail may be has to be more than or equal to 1, right? At least मतलब more than or equal to 1. This is the condition given. This is the condition. Let me write down. This is the condition, and this is the event for which we have to find the probability, correct? So by logic, what is the formula we use here? Total cases, total probability after condition, only when you apply the condition. And this is the, on top we take total number of cases. Either we take total number of cases according to the first, the event, right? Or you take probability that number is more than 4. So this is the logical probability formula. Okay, so let me apply. First, what is the total probability after condition? So what is the condition? That number of tails should be more than or equal to 1. At least matlab, at least 1 means one tail at least, or 2 tails are also accepted. So out of these outcomes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, out of these outcomes, this is accepted, this is accepted, this and this, because it also has tails. So these are accepted. तो कौन से accepted है? They are saying we can have probability for head tail or tail one or tail one. Let me write it this way: tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 4, tail 5 or tail 6. And then on top you have to take a probability that number is more than 4 out of all possible outputs. So which is the accepted outputs are only these two. When the number is 5 or 6 more than, so acceptable output is this for the probability or t comma 6, correct? We need to go for it. So how to find the probability? Head and tail, first hand and tail. So here what will be the probability? Head and tail. So first head came is 1 by 2 and tail came is again 1 by 2, correct? So whenever in probability, remember, whenever there is and, we multiply. Always remember, we multiply. And when we use word or this, we always add. So this is the fundamental law of probability finding, right? Whenever we use this and this, we multiply both possibilities, probabilities. If there is or, then we add. Okay? So we need head and tail, head and tail, head and tail. So head ka probability is 1 by 2 and ka is 1 by 2. So we have to multiply 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Then or we have to take tail and 1, tail and 1. So what is the probability of tail? Coming tail is 1 by 2. Okay? And 1, and the probability that 1 will come is 1 by 6. Here you can see. First tail will come is 1 by 2 because we are throwing a coin. So half possibility is there, tail will come. If tail comes, then we are throwing a die, and we want that 1 will come. So total probability will be 1 by 2 and 1 by 6. So and maybe what do we do? Multiply, and or then we want tail and 2. So first tail came and 2 came is 1 by 6. Or we want tail and 3. So tail will come and 3 will come, and 3 will come is here. Tail and the 3 will come is again 1 by 6. Or we want tail and 4. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 6 है ना. और T5 सेम होगा. T5 में फर्स्ट टेल विल कम इज 1 by 2 and 5 will come is 1 by 6. और tail will come is 1 by 2 or this will come is this. ठीक है. This is the total possibilities after condition. Out of that only these two are accepted. Tail and 5, tail and 6. Right? They are saying that number of tails is more than or equal to 1. Sorry, number which is appearing on the die is more than 5. So these two are favorable. Only these two. Let me write down. These two are favorable. So for these two, what will be the probability? Coming for tail and 5, so 1 by 6, or coming tail and 6, which is 1 by 6. You know? Because when you are throwing die, the probability that 5 will come is 1 by 6. Probability that 6 will come is again 1 by 6. Okay, now let me simplify it. So this will be, whenever there is a or, remember in probability, whenever you have or, so what do? We add the probabilities. This is the basic law. So let me add. So this is 1 by 12 plus 1 by 12 divided by 1 by 4 plus this will become all plus, है ना? This is all plus. So this is 1 by 12 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 12, 1 by 12, 1 by 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Right? Why 1 by 12? Because 6 into 2. 6 into 2 is 12. That's how we will do. Correct? Further, it will be 2 by 12. You know, the sum of these two is 2 by 12. And what is sum of all these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 1 by 4 plus 6 by 12. Correct? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So LCM is 12 and top 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 6. Okay. What is LCM of these two? Here I am just trying to simplify. So 2 by 12 divided by LCM is 12. So 4 3s are plus 6. Correct? 12 is the LCM of these two. So this I am getting 2 by 12 by 9 by 12. Okay. Further what we will get is 2 by 12 into, the denominator will flip, 12 by 9. Correct? 12 and 12 cancel. So answer is 2 by 9. This is the final answer. Okay. So this is the logical formula that we applied here. So you can pause it and solve it on your own. See you in next video where I will solve 13.1. Bye everyone.